So, content AI writers, a bit vanilla and maybe a bit too expensive for your taste. So look at this. We've got Riku, which is a one-time purchase, links in the description, and links to all my other free resources in the description as well. So I thought I'd run you through this. We've got a new API this morning called Muse, and I've just written the prompts, and I thought, well, I'll record the video and show you how this goes. So we're using this API. You can't put it at 1, always put it below 1, otherwise you will get a little bit of trouble. So I always give a quick intro into my prompts, just to be a little bit polite to the AI. And this one, I've only put 3 examples here. So I looked for some YouTube videos that caught my eye, and I gave them a topic and copied the headline. So these are kind of headlines that I'd like to use in my business. I can't use them because of somebody else's, but it's kind of the flavor that I use. So all we need to do now is click onto a headline. Let's see what we get, guys. How to create custom content writers with this free tool. Well, it's not free. Some of the content it generates is free when using a GPT, I believe. Let's try that again. Brilliant. Creativity meets AI for the business of writing. I do like that a lot. I'm going to save that, guys. Might use that a little bit later. What I tend to do with these tools is some of them, a fair amount of them actually, I use straight as they've been given to me. And some of them I'll just tweak a little bit. So let's try that again, guys. I won't go through all the way through this. You know the script, guys. If you've seen this tool, the art and science of customizing covers in the office. Course covers in office courses. That's nothing to do with that, is it? So let's just quickly run through. It's got another model here. I want to show you this other model as well. This is Orion. So it's got different language models, this particular API as well. How to make a fake video account and win grateful copies of your own. Let's skip that one, guys. Custom AI for business. I'd like that one. I'll use that one, I think. How to develop an effective content writer creator using the no code and operations work as post-production step, whatever that means. So let's try a different one, guys. Let's try OpenAI. How to use no-code tool to build a custom AI content writer for your business. That's a belter. I like that one a lot. Okay, let's see how AI 21 works for us, guys. One of the major benefits of Riku is you can just run through the various API models, so you're not tied to one, which is one of the keys here. So 2 keys for me with regards to Riku is you can select your own prompts, you can change the temperature, which kind of is the creativity used, and then you can run through all the different models to find out which one gives the best output for your needs, which is critically important. So what did we get here? 10 rapid fire tools to create an AI content writer. We can change that, guys. So I will do, let's take that one. 3 steps to customer success. That's a belter. I'll be having that one as well. So guys, I hope this helps and has given you some insights into Riku and how flexible the tool is and how quickly the AI content creation tool marketplace is moving. So if you're not part of it already, jump in, because if you don't, I firmly believe you're going to be left behind. Anyway, that's all I got, guys. Take care. Any questions, give me a shout, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye bye.